Say the line, Bart.
Niggas acting bad, but somebody gotta do it. Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off.
Everybody sit your bitch ass down and listen to true motherfucking story told by Kendrick Lamar, Rose Cringe, bitch. Smoking on the finest though, aye. Drinking till I can't no more, aye. Really I'm a so-and-so, but I'm with the homies right now.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah bitch.
Yeah, bitch.
Hit that house, they tell me is you with it, yeah bitch.
Yeah, bitch.
Home invasion, start up that Maserati and vroom vroom, I'm racing.
Survival. I think somebody lying.
Ooh, if you take it there, I'm taking it further. Psst, that's something you don't wanna do. Ooh.
Let me put the head in.
I don't want more than that.
Cause I wave one finger and thump y'all niggas like,
Bitch, I'm in the club with the homies. Tell me what's good. I'm trying to get these hoes single. And this is my single.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Funk, baby, rockin' it. Ghetto child, here was Blackie Mouse with the Smirnoff. Yee-haw, we outside, boy, they about to kill him off. It's a full moon, let the wolves out, I've been a dog.
Take his hands, baby.
Whoa! It's not enough.
Fa.
Hey, hey, what? I mean,
Walk. Till. Hey, that's my bitch. Hey, that's my bitch.
back out if they act out. Yeah, I did that. Bing, bop, boom, 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 bop.
Streets ready for this shit right here.
Talking about Cardo, my evil twin. Cardi, my evil twin.
I'ma make it back and probably spend it all on you.